5 steps process, okay, to clean up your Windows laptop. Step 1, go to your start and click run. Go to temp file and select all files and shift delete. You can do the run here. Click temp. So if it asks for permission, click continue. So there are so many temporary files. You can simply select all and shift and delete. Okay, the next step is to go to start, run, and instead of using temp, do a percentage temp percentage and select all and shift delete. Run percentage temp percentage. So this will select all the folders that contains temp. So there are so many temporary files. Select all. To select all, I'm using Control A and then Shift and Delete. Okay, the next step in the process is to start, run, type prefetch and select all files and Shift Delete. So I go to run, prefetch. So it asks for permission, continue. All these are temporary files, so I'll just do a Shift Delete. So number 2 is go to your recycle bin and see if there are any files, unwanted files. You can just delete them. So I have many here, so I select all and delete all of them. Okay. Next step is uninstall programs that you rarely use. So probably you go to add and remove programs, add and remove programs. See if any of the program you don't use, you can just go ahead and delete them. So probably this is not useful for me, so I uninstall it. Yes. I think this is an inbuilt thing. Okay, so add remove programs. Yeah, most of the other programs I generally use. Okay, so I would like to keep those programs. I don't know what is this Wondershare Dr. Phone. What is this Wondershare? Let me open it. Not sure what is this. Okay, probably I'll delete this. I think I don't really need this. I install it. Okay, the next step is to go to your C drive and optimize it. The way you do it is go to this PC. Probably you can go here and this PC and go to your C drive, right click, properties, go to your tools, click on optimize, select your C drive and optimize it. The the step 5 to clean up your Windows PC is to do this cleanup, and it is done using this method. So what you do is go to this search bar and type disk cleanup. So it should come up or pop up here. Just click on that. So you should get the list of system files so that you can clean. Click on clean up system files. So you could see this is cleaning right now. Again, click OK to clean it up, and you click delete file, so it will delete all the files. Okay, it is done now. Now we have come to the end of this video. Using this 5 simple steps, you can clean up your Windows 10 laptop so that it can work much faster than before. Please try it out. Okay, give me your comments, okay, in the comment section below. If you like this kind of videos, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel.